Hello, we're 5G Data, and this is MS3 demo. We made a game called O Camelot. It's a platform game, kind of like Mario. So first, here's info. It shows all the power-ups, the enemies, their behaviors, and the coins, and just the controls. This is part of the main menu. It's just a small handbook. Um, it's like any game handbook, and then there's credits, just the name of the members, plus project manager, and then the settings. So here you can toggle like developer mode, which prints out like the game position and then the frame rate. Lives are also adjustable. 5 would be the easiest, 1 being the hardest. You can turn on or off the narrator, and also the block size, with 1 being the smallest and 8 being the largest. The default 4, which is how the game would render. And so without further ado, here's level 1. That's the narrator, and then it just gives a little background and lore, and sometimes it helps with the enemies. And then here's how the game plays. So these are the different enemy types. You can see F for frog. It jumps around. They cannot be killed, and if you ever collide with the enemy as a player, then you lose a life. And so you can also collect coins there, which were the yellow numbers, the number indicating how many coins it's worth. And once the player reaches 3 coins, you're able to regain a life. And then, so here would be a successful run through. So whenever you collide, you lose a life. But you're able to jump over enemies, stomp on them, and then once you reach the finish line, which would be a blue wall, you're able to jump into the blue wall, and then you can move on to the next level or replay the level. And so here you can see the narrative provides you commentary. So you can see here 2 coins, and then once you reach 3 coins, I gained a life, and then it carried over. So next level, level 3. And so this is just to demonstrate how, since our levels are stored as CSVs, like for level 1 and 2, they were like rectangles in the sense that they were wide levels, and then they were short height-wise. But here in level 3, we show that the levels could also be really tall. They have a long height. It's like a falling level, just to show like how levels can be all different shapes and sizes. We also have like this level editor, so you can see the different levels. This would be level 4, one of the harder ones, and X zooms out and Z would zoom in, and you can see how it adjusts the block size to be 1 when it's zoomed out. And you can just play the level in whatever block size you want. Sometimes if you zoom out, it makes it easier. Zoom in makes it easier, etc. And one of another features that we have is we have the level editor, where if you've beaten all the levels, that you can create your own levels, and it's pretty cool in the sense that you can custom make your editor level, and you can place blocks, you can place coins, enemies. If you want to put a block here, there, and build a level for yourself to play later on, you can build it here, and then it would save, and then you can play it in the play level editor. So here you can see I just made the level, and then I can now play the level I just made. And it even translates across different load times. So if you load it and then you you exit the game and then load again, it would be the same level. And so yeah, that was our level editor. Thank you for watching.